I say my question, can I say something? You're actually my type. Like, everything. Like, height, tattoos. I'm okay with tattoos. Also, your voice. It's... Okay. The children thing later. But anyway.
What?
And last is the nagging part, because I tend to be a bit bossy as a Capricorn. The joke lang.
Kumusta ka barkada? Tayo po'y nagbabalik sa isa na naman pong reaction video at tayo po'y manonood uli ng palabas ni Madam Marion Honor dahil nag-trending na naman po ito mga kabarkada. Alam ko 3 buwan ako nawala sa channel na to pero nagla-livestream naman po ako every week so technically hindi talaga ako totally nawala. Pumapalo na ng 100,000 na regular par at yung bago niyang upload na 8 days ago ay 800k. Yung last time na pinanood natin nag 1.2 million views na par. Ano nangyari? Bukod kay Golden Retriever Boy, nag-trending din po si Golden Retriever Girl. Nahirapan ako bigkasin yung retriever. At eto po, si Golden Retriever Girl. Pero nung pinanood ko naman, parang okay naman siya. Parang hindi naman siya nakakainis panoorin. So hindi ko alam kasi ang pinanood ko lang ay yung part ni Golden Retriever Boy, which is yung first 15 minutes nung mismong show na to. At hindi ko pa napapanood yung ibang mga contestant tulad nito ni Kuya. Tapos meron pang isa. Ito. At meron pang isa which is ito. At meron pang isa which is ang dami pala. Round 2, ayun,
alright,
ito na.
Here comes our next sexy single.
Dat pala, matagal na ako nag-react sa round 2 na ito. Round 3 tsaka 4, 5.
Tell us your name, your age, and your job.
I'm Oliver Malonzo, 26, and I am a graphic designer by night and photographer in the day.
Awesome. So, what are your
Creative,
hobbies or what do you like
idol.
to do for fun?
Recently, I always go to jogging and running, and then I started go to gym. Aminin natin, syempre cute. And then, with dip within naman, syempre, dapat yung mabait. Yung...
How about mga deal breakers mo? Or parang...
Ayun, maalala ko, yung ibig sabihin niya pala ni Golden Retriever Boy na hard R, respect pala yun. Iba yung nasa isip ko na hard R.
Siguro, hindi loyal.
Okay.
Actually, bare minimum naman yun. Loyalty, reciprocity, ano pa ba mga bare minimum?
Right now, wala pa tayong ladies na nag-pop ng balloon. So, it's now up to you na choose 2 girls just based on what you see right now. Hindi mo masyadong vibe or hindi mo masyadong type. Yes, ikaw yung magpa-pop ng balloon.
Oh no!
So, choose 2 girls na kung anong balloon yung ipapop.
Hirap niyan, par.
Alright, so let's go over here.
Siguro ikakat na ng editor ko yung mga parts na nagpapakilala sila kasi since napanood na naman natin nung kay Golden Retriever guy.
Why did you decide na hindi po na ipop yung balloon mo?
Gusto ko talagang makilala mo na yung guy. Gusto ko lang talagang marinig din kung ano yung gusto niyang like i-offer. Ganun.
Ang akin kasi dito, medyo may mali din sa sistema ni Madam Marion. Dapat ata mag-a-ask muna yung guy ng first question bago siya mag-pop ng first pop niya. Nagigets nyo ba? Kasi wala ka ng iba pang basis kundi physical appearance eh. Alam mo yun, once na napop yung balon mo nang hindi ka pa naman nakakapagsalita, ibig sabihin, hindi ka niya gusto physically.
Why did you decide na ipop yung balloon niya?
I feel the best friend aura since yung aura nila is like girl best friend.
So, best friend zoned.
Yun yung mangyayari. Magkakaroon ng friendship aura. Doon nila i-base yun, pero para sa akin, personal preference pagdating doon kaya mo pinap yung balon.
At least one question to ask them. And then, maybe based on those answers, eliminate yung mga hindi mo magiging potential part.
Yan ang sinasabi ko. Dapat yan yung una. Pero show ni Madam to. So, wala tayong magagawa. Baka i-copyright pa ako eh. Madam! Joke lang po yun, Madam!
Based on my experience kasi, parang bilis masabi sa akin na hindi na ako...
Nanginginig yung boss ni Kuya. Kuya, parang mahal mo pa eh. Dapat ata wala ka sa dating show. Dapat ata mag-move on ka muna. Kasi baka mangyari dito. Baka maging pusuan o rebound ang kinalabasan dito.
Anytime you'll tell, kailangan mong gumawa ng i-distract yung sarili mo so that you can unlove them and forget them.
Ang aking advice, syempre alam nyo naman, I have a history. Yung nakatulong sa akin ng sobra para makapag-move on, ay mag-focus sa sarili ko. Totoo yun. As in, nag-improve yung mga skills ko, nag-improve yung mindset ko. So, talaga nag-invest ako sa sarili ko. Ginawa ko talagang busy yung sarili ko just to move on. In short, ginawa ko siyang weapon. So, imbis na yung weapon na yun, isaksak mo sa sarili mo, gamitin mo yung weapon na yun as a source of energy. May pa ganun pa no? Gamitin mo yung sakit, yung puot, yung hinagpis at kirot, at gawin mong lakas.
In terms of like how to unlove, the answer is actually you don't. I feel like when there are people who come into our life and they leave a mark, it's hard to unlove kasi someone. So what can happen most likely is mag-iiba yung love lang. Like, pwede from romantic, baka maging platonic na lang, or that person will, parang you'll remember of that person as a lesson. The answer is, I don't think you can unlove someone. You can just...
Pero siguro if in good terms, dun magkakaroon ng platonic relationship. Pero kapag hindi kasi kayo good terms or parang hindi reasonable yung nangyari, kahit sabihin na natin walang kasalanan either side, pero if unreasonable yung decision nyo, parang you can never go to platonic relationship. So technically, you will unlove. Hindi ko din alam. I don't know. Pero so far, maayos naman siya sumagot. Siguro yung mga ano lang niya, involuntary reactions. Ayun na, magpapop na si Idol. Okay, ayaw niya yung sagot na yun.
Why did you decide to pop her balloon?
Same lang sila ng answer.
Actually, siya yung may naiibang sagot no? Hindi ba?
I pop basically because I don't know how to answer the question.
O nga, ngayon ko lang na-realize. Nasa dating show ka tapos ang tanong mo how to unlove. Irrelevant yung question, par.
What if yung person, yun yung reason bakit kayo nang hiwalay? Ano mangyayari doon?
Iba na yun. Ang pag-ibig kasi hindi lang naman siya happiness, butterflies, alam mo yun. May mga times na mag-aaway talaga kayo. May mga times na mararamdaman yung gusto niyo nang sumuko. Pero yung pag-ibig kasi, yun yung para sa akin yun yung pag-stay nyo sa isa't isa. Yun talaga yun Kumbaga, it's not about sunshines and rainbows. Di ba pag may ikakasal nga, di ba ang sinasabi sa hirap at ginhawa? Hindi naman kasi palaging ginhawa, hindi rin naman palaging hirap. Alam nyo yun, nagko-coexist sila. Balance as they should be. Tama si Thanos. Fresh pa si Idol.
Thank you so much.
Ako, ang nararamdaman ko sa kanya, mahal niya pa yung ex niya. Gusto niya lang mag-move on kaya siya nasa dating show.
Okay. So,
ayun, nagpop na sila parehas. Rekta na tayo sa round 3. Okay.
My name is Marcus. I just turned 23. And
Walaan ko. Masyadong bata,
What do you like to do for fun?
usually play games online.
Maraming may ayaw niyan, mga gamers. Nako! Ang hirap humanap ng pag-ibig kapag ikaw ay gamer. Parang yung anime lang na yan Love is hard for Anotako. Ayun.
Okay, so what's your ideal partner?
Okay, medyo nagigets ko na yung nangyayari sa internet Medyo may pagka siya, may pagka excessive.
What personality traits do you look for?
I don't really have that much of a preference. I mentioned earlier women that are naggers.
Okay.
Anger issues. I guess apathetic.
Nako! Patay tayo dyan, buti. Wala ako dyan, par. Ako, apathetic ako Vocal ako doon, na apathetic ako, par.
May mga nag-pop na balloon.
Si ating number 1 lang hindi nag-pop.
Honestly, I popped the balloon kasi because of the age. Kasi I usually don't date younger guys, and the youngest guy I would date is someone that's 2 years
Same.
younger than me.
Okay, 2
and
years
that's
young.
stretching it na talaga.
Is she your type, or would you go out on a date with her?
Not really my type, but yeah.
Okay. Is there anything in particular why she's not your usual type?
Maganda naman si
Based
ate.
on appearance for now, since I don't really know much about her.
Maganda si ate, tapos soft-spoken. Cute. Di ba? Ano ba itong mga contestant na to? Hindi ba kayo marunong tumingin?
Pop the Balloon was, actually, nakikinig naman ako prior, but dun lang sa part na siguro nagnanag, yun nga ayaw mo.
Magkaiba naman kasi yung nagnanag tsaka nagtatry mag-communicate. Napaka-importante ng communication. Promise. Sa isang relationship, hindi kayo tatanggal kung walang communication. Yung nagging na yan, hindi naman siya sobrang yung talak ng talak. Dapat kasi, nagkakaroon kayo ng palitang kuro. Alam niyo yun? Nagkakaroon kayo ng discourse. Kaya, useful yung mga ganyan, yung mga ine-express nila yung mga nararamdaman nila.
I pop the balloon kasi he's younger than me. Tapos, I'm not physically attracted din.
Walang spark. Walang ganun.
Hi, I'm Ali. I'm 28 years old, turning 29 this year.
Siguro medyo nagigets ko na. Unti-unti ko na nagigets yung mga tao. Para siya si Golden Retriever Boy nga. Kaya si Golden Retriever Boy, ang hilig magpasok ng mga unnecessary opinions. Yung mga, I'm 28, turning 29. Gusto ko lang malaman, sino nagtanong? Kaya siguro nadadarag siya sa internet kasi para siya si Golden Retriever guy. Kasi kung mapapansin mo yung ibang mga contestant, kapag may tinanong sila, madalas straight answer, wala nang paligoy-ligoy. Feeling ko yun yung nagiging problema dito
The age, obviously, turning 29.
28.
Almost turning 30. So yeah, age is...
Sipin mo yun, 28 ka. Turning 29. Bukas 30 ka na, par. Mamaya, isasama niya ni 31.
Important for me. And last is the nagging part because I tend to be a bit bossy as a Capricorn. The joke lang.
Okay, now I understand. I understand it now.
I don't really like it when women depend on their personalities that much in astrological science.
Valid.
Do you have any response to
Valid,
that?
valid.
No, you'll hear it in the next the next person.
Ay, valid eh. Alam mo yun, yung mga horoscope, mga zodiacs. I have nothing against you, okay? Hindi ko kayo inaaway. Asawa ko po ay naniniwala sa mga zodiac signs at mga astrology and mga bato-bato. Actually, si Aubrey po ay nagtatarot, so you cannot hold this against me. Pero ako hindi ako naniniwala sa mga ganon. Pero kapag gustong pag-usapan ni Aubrey, nakikinig ako, alam mo yun. I don't consider other people's hobbies as shit. Nagigets nyo ba? So, yun lang naman yung akin. You cannot hold this against me. Basta ako, hindi ako naniniwala sa mga astrology horoscope na yan. Okay? Marinig nyo sa akin palagi yan. Pero, hindi naman siya to the point na ayoko siyang pinag-uusapan sa harapan ko. Okay? Kung may gusto kang i-open sa akin sa pagiging Aris ko, panigurado meron na kayong nai-open. Kaya pala kasi Aris siya. You are free to do so. Bahala kayo sa buhay nyo. Kung ano yung gusto nyo sa buhay, di ko kayo papakialaman. Kung ano yung gusto ko sa buhay, huwag nyo akong pakialaman.
Okay, thank you so much.
Nag-pop na si Madam.
Sorry kasi pinalampas ko muna yung questioning kasi I wanted to hear something more about you. I like it. It's interesting kasi I think na magkakaroon tayo ng good conversation along the way if ever we...
Ayaw niya nga nang nagtatalak. Ayaw niya ng conversation.
I'm not into the physicality wise. That's fine. I love your outfit. I love your hair. Pareho tayo may piercing. Yeah, yung si earrings, yeah, I love it. Nung sinabi mo kasi it's about the astrology, sometimes I post that in social media kasi I'm a Sagittarius, so medyo tayo doon, alanganin tayo doon.
Ang haba nito Hindi ko alam kung anong part na kayo ng video. Pero ako nasa 30 minutes na ako. Parang naboboard na ako. Wala mong gusto. Ibalik si Golden Retriever Boy. Ibalik niyo yun. That is premium quality entertainment.
All right, here comes our next sexy single.
Sexy single. Uy.
Hello.
Uy.
Hello.
Uy. Wow. Boses palambar. Parang kahit ako eh. Alam mo naman. Ganyan ba talaga kalalim boses niya? Kasi may mga kilala talaga ako na ganyan talaga kalalim boses nila.
How about your hobbies or what do you like to do for fun?
What I like to do for fun.
Jujutsu.
I like to appear in the first episode and then appear in the second episode. I don't think she has personality.
Do you have anything to say?
Nandito na pala siya dati. Okay.
What's your ideal partner or...
Yun na yun! Ayun yung hobby niya! Ano yun? Wala man lang binigay. Okay na, hindi ako sure.
Personality traits that you look for in an ideal partner?
I have a high tolerance to BS, which means it would really take so much for you to offend me.
Yung BS, kung hindi nyo alam, sabihin ko lang, bullshit.
The only thing I ask of a woman is loyalty.
My reason is still the same reason I said nung first episode. It's because I'm not ready dun sa parang magiging setup if we end up together since you have a child. You have a kid. So, yun lang.
Okay.
You really had to expose me like that, right?
Na-expose.
Okay.
Spoiler alert.
May anak siya, single dad. Okay. Sana all may tatay.
I don't think we'll get along lang. Like, parang ano lang siya. Medyo parang gut yung feel niya with all the black and then yung chains. Do
you have any response to that?
I'm sure that's not what she meant.
Kasi ako mahilig din ako sa black eh. Halos lahat ng black! Lahat ng gamit ko dito, black. Ibig sabihin ba nun, goth ako? No. Mahilig lang ako sa black.
Not what I think. I know she means... Well, I like a guy who I can control. Obviously, this guy is too big for me to control. I can't control this guy.
Hindi ko alam sa sabi ko. Speechless.
Okay, I'll make your lives easier. I don't have a child. I have children. So plural. Okay?
Very strong yung personality ni Bossing. Very strong. Right from the box. Talaga nga namang testosterone.
So the reason why I popped is feel ko hindi ko rin ma-match yung ibang parang yung topics natin. Ganun.
I want to share with you that it's not all the time that we have to agree to all things.
Kasi ano yun, magiging boring yun eh. Magiging stagnant yung relationship nyo kung sa lahat ng bagay, agreeable kayo sa isa't isa. Alam niyo yun? Ano yan? Yin and yang. Kailangan... Sabi nga nila, opposites attract. Gets nyo? Nag-make sense naman si Bossing.
Tama naman po with non-verbal cues. Kita ko well, especially with old, like the age difference.
Hindi lang siguro nila mahanap yung term na feeling ko kasi yun talaga yung nafe-feel nila eh. Masyado strong yung personality ni Bossing. Yun yung akin.
Is she someone who's your type or
I'll
would
go
you
out
go?
with her,
Yeah?
for sure.
Okay.
Nice smile. In comparison with how you perceive me, I have a different perception of you. I think we are gonna get along well.
The Riz is rizzing. Marunong naman pala mag-riz eh. You know?
Sa height, okay. Tapos the way, very confident.
Oh, yun. Ayun, ito yung perfect example na nabigay niya yung feeling kong nararamdaman ng kalahatan. Okay. Very confident, pero may anak. Yun lang siguro.
Before I say my question, can I say something? You're actually my type. Like, everything. Like, height, tattoos. I'm okay with tattoos. Also, your voice. It's... Okay. The children thing later. But anyway.
What?
How about those who are into, like, boy love? Boy to boy.
Oh. What do you mean? What's the question?
They just watch series about it. That's it.
Are you asking me if I
you're
watch
okay
it?
with... No.
Or someone who is okay with that?
If you accept someone who likes that.
Assuming that I don't like it, I know for a fact that relationships do change people. So what I'm saying is I'm okay with that.
Okay.
Kasi during the long run, hindi ako okay. I still have hopes that it might change.
Magaling pumili ng sagot to eh, no? Magaling siyang sumagot. Magaling siya siguro ang problem lang talaga nila may anak.
My question is, what do you think about having a different mentality since you have children? It's actually a deal breaker for me. However, upon hearing on how you talk, on how you answer, I think we can match. Marami akong matututunan sa'yo. Marami akong bagay na bagong malalaman. I'm looking for something alpha, like wolf ba?
Yan,
Hindi
yan,
fox, like
yan yung
wolf
hinahanap
talaga,
niya.
yung mangunguna.
Yan yun,
And
yan yun.
I tend to be, my personality is, individually, I'm mature. But kapag, kasi syempre, iba na yung world mo, iba na yung world ko. So, yun.
We can collide the worlds. Well, there's this song, Cupid. It does say there, we won't know unless we give it a try. I don't want to put, and growing up, I've always brought myself in and out of situations, survive this life.
Kaya strong yung personality ni Bossing yung pumatag na eh. Nung nagsalita na siya, parang bang, 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 bang. May dahilan kung bakit siya confident. Alam mo yun? Ayun, magaling.
Actually, I'm a woman. Pag,
Kinikilig ka ba, boss? Kinikilig ka si Bossing
mas madaming guy. So, it's kind of awkward for me to go
to the
gym.
Ganun pala kiligin ng mga alpha male.
I remember sharing with you girls that I am big time when it comes to loyalty. Truth be told, that's the only thing I ask of. The reason you will not cheat on me is self-control. We are all going to be tempted one way or the other.
Meron siyang yin and yang tattoo.
Men will pursue you. Regardless, we don't care what your status is. Men are men. Testosterone is oozing.
Hindi ko expect na sa kanya manggagaling yung kanina ko sinasabi. Testosterone!
Which means that it's your job to police yourself. You should be able to guard yourself against these men, with or without me. And if you don't have self-control, you are more likely to cheat on me. Promotes discipline.
Alright, so do you have any response to what he said?
Out of this world na yung nangyayari.
Not really, but I think pasok naman ako sa banga nung loyalty niya.
Yes.
Kasi yung mga pasok...
Okay, I actually used to do taekwondo before when I was younger, and I used to be very sporty. So I would play basketball, etc., etc. Now I dance. I'm a dancer. I started dancing.
I am an athlete, which means off-season is off-season. You are in your off-season, I can tell. And it's okay.
Alright, so based on those answers, I'd like you to eliminate one.
You know, life is a risk. We all gamble anyway, and I'm hoping I'm right.
No, what? Para sa akin kasi, ang nangyari kasi dito, mas nagkaroon ng substance yung answer nung isa. Kumbaga, mas nagkaroon ng curiosity, nag-spark ng, alam mo yun, meron silang something to hope for, something to unravel, alam mo yun. Kasi ang nangyari kasi sa kanya, very short yung answer niya, agad parang abrupt nung conversation. So, kaya feeling ko, mas nag-go si Bossing doon sa number 1. Kasi nga, medyo malalim din na pag-usapan nila, no?
Are you okay with having a family?
Yes.
Okay.
Much.
Alright, so sure ka na ba sa kanya?
I hope I am.
I think he's having second thoughts.
Oh no!
I said I hope I am.
You'd like to pop your balloon.
Oh
go
no!
ahead. So sure ka na sa kanya?
Yes.
Yes! We have a man! Ba't parang di ka masaya, boss? Ay, na, masaya. Kinilig. Yes! Parang ngayon lang ako naka-experience na nagkaroon ng match dito. Ito na ba? Last round na ba to? Ito na ba yung internet sensation? Ito na ba? Ito na ba yun?
Okay, here comes our next sexy single. Woo!
Parang nalungkot ako bigla na wala na si number 1. Nawala na si Madam Sam. Parang wala na si Madam Sam. Parang simulat sa pool, para alam ko na si Madam Sam yung una makakaalis dito. Next.
Ian Ramirez, I'm an instructor.
Ano yung mga inisip mo mga red flags?
Wala silang loyalty. one of the most
Karamihan puro
important
loyalty
thing.
Sa akin kasi bare minimum na yun. Ang akin ayoko lang naninigarilyo eh. Kasi ako meron akong sakit sa baga. Yung mga bare minimum hindi na dapat yung sinasabi. Dapat yung mga deal breaker na ano na lang. Mga hindi masyadong bare minimum.
It's up to you na...
Ay,
never mind. So since she popped her balloon, let's go over there.
Younger!
Same reason, so I don't really date guys younger
Sabi
than
na eh. Ba't hindi na lang ikas dito yung mga lalaki na matanda na? Alam niyo, yung ba, mga 20, ayun, katulad kanina, 34. Diba? Mas nagkakaroon ng connection eh. Kasi ang nangyayari, napapap agad yung balon, tapos na yung conversation. Wala na. Alam niyo? Kasi ang norm talaga, dapat mas matanda talaga ang lalaki. Alam niyo, yun yung norm sa Pilipinas eh. Or hindi ko alam sa ibang lugar. Basta yun yung norm. Diba?
I want to know him. Like, I want to go on a date with him. Kaso, yung
Younger.
age niya, he's
diba?
24 years old. So, I want to know him.
So get your balloon back. Pwede na, we're here to explore. Balloon.
Oh, sige.
Na-pressure natin siya.
Peer pressure!
Okay, siya pa yung kukuha ng balloon. Oh, babalik niya daw. Oh! Ooh, I feel the chemistry. Okay.
And why I popped my balloon? Actually, at first, diba, you're younger than me, but I waited a bit long. I waited. Ang tagal ko nga eh. I waited long. And then...
Sino nagtanong? May nagtanong? Boss, ikaw? Tinanong mo, boss? Ikaw?
It's more of language. Because I'm an Englishera, halata. I can come off as strong to a lot of people that I tried dating.
Bakit may halata? Bakit may halata? Anong gusto mong gawin namin? Makumbinsi kami? Ha? Ano ba to? Bakit mo naman? Guys, YouTuber nga pala ako. Halata. Guys, meron nga pala akong combined 5 million subscribers. Halata.
I feel like baka ma-overwhelm ko sa akin.
Hindi ko alam sasabihin ko dito. I don't know what to say. Para kapag kasi explain mo yung sarili mo, hindi mo sasabihin yung mga words na halata or parang i-convince mo yung tao na ma-intimidate ka sa Oh my goodness.
I can adjust since mostly in my teaching career, I am teaching also international students.
Uy!
So I managed to adjust both.
Parang hindi naman siya nagreklamo sa mga previous contestant or previous guests. Hindi niya binring up yung pagiging Englishera niya. Kasi kanina pa nag-i-English si Kuya dito eh.
But it doesn't intimidate you.
What? So it doesn't intimidate. What? I understand it now. I understand it now kung bakit nag-trending to sa internet. Boss! Bakit kailangan mo i-push yung narrative? Sabi niya he can adjust. So bakit kailangan mo pang i-push? Hindi ko alam kung bakit ka ganyan. Bakit gusto mo may ma-intimidate sa'yo?
See, I'll get my balloon back.
Woo! Balloon! Balloon back daw!
Meron ba akong nararamdamang superiority something? Anong kinalaman ng language sa pag-ibig? Nagtatagalog ka naman. Nag-i-English ka. Nagtatagalog siya. Nag-i-English din. Bilingual ang Filipino. Although hindi tayo fluent on each side or kung meron mang fluent sa tigkabilang panig ng lengguwahe ng mga ito, ay who cares? Love is love. Di ba? Alam mo yun? Ang importante, nagkakaintindihan tayo. Bakit kailangan magkaroon ng intimidation? Ayun naman si Kuya eh. Parang wala namang ano sa kanya eh. Alam mo yun?
So my question would be, what are the adventures you're willing to take with me?
Hindi kasi ako ma-outdoorsy. Talaga. I prefer staying in. Pero if it's with someone that I like, and if it's someone na I'm interested in, I can go out. I'm okay going hiking with you, going to the beaches or anything else. Ganon. We can try new activities together. At least once. To see muna, if magkiklik siya, if okay siya sa akin, then we can, and gusto mo din yung activity na yun, then we can go.
Mga day off, gusto ko talagang gumagala. Gusto ko yung mga pupuntahan kong places is yung mga memorable siya sa akin.
Ganun sana yung sagutan.
I'm an extrovert, which I think is pretty obvious. So I'm
Bakit kailangan mo kaming i-convince? Bakit?
Yan, so I'm very adventurous. I like to travel a lot if I can. So this year I traveled 2 times already in Japan.
Ang problem siguro dito, TMI. Too much information. Nasa dating show kayo, dapat ano lang, speed.
Based from my point of view and reasoning, I think, sorry.
Okay, let's go over here. Why did you decide to pop her balloon?
So, yung sinabi ko kanina is yun nga, hindi pa ako capable ngayon the stuff na parang pinaplano niya. Currently, my main target is to the doctorate as early as possible.
Trap card pala yung nilabas niya.
This time, we're going to ask if you guys have any questions
Okay,
that
Madam
will
Pao
also
tayo,
help
Madam
you
Pao.
decide.
So, ano yung masasabi mong love language mo na yung ikaw yung gumagawa towards sa partner mo?
5 languages or the 5 love languages are like a requirements for the relationship. Ang nagiging difference lang kasi is gaano mo siya kayang i-provide.
Just answer the question!
Like for example, for an LDR relationship, what you can give is the assurance.
Okay. Makes sense.
Any
Okay,
response
sige.
to that?
Sige. Pero hindi mo sinagot. Safe answer yung sagot ni Bossing.
When it comes to relationship, yung sa magiging communication natin, and like gusto mo ba araw-araw kayo magkikita, tapos parang isang message mo, magre-reply kagad siya sa'yo?
Sa end ko kasi is merong mga times na busy ako kaya siguro
busy
hindi yun yung isang nire-require ko.
Yun kasi allocating time kasi dapat yan. Adjusting. Ano yan? May tawag doon. Nakalimutan ko yung tawag doon. Kasi naano ko eh. Hindi kasi ako Englishero eh. Halata. Yung ano yan? Compromise yan. Kailangan nyo mag-compromise. Okay? May kanya-kanya tayong buhay pero kailangan natin mag-compromise around that. Tsaka maayos naman siya mag-English eh. Merong mga lapses sa kanyang English. Katulad ng akin, hindi naman ako magaling mag-English. Pero naiintindihan naman eh. Alam niyo yun? Ang importante naiintindihan. As a Bachelor of Arts in Communication student. Alam mo yun? Hindi mo naman kailangan sabihin yung course mo eh. Di ba? Ganon yung nangyayari doon. Isipin nyo, nag-explain ako dito. Tapos bigla ako sasabihin yung course ko. I'm a Bachelor of Arts in Communication, majoring in digital cinema, and I think communication is the major. Di ba? Yun yung nangyayari eh. Doon nagagalit ang mga sambayan ng Pilipino sa internet.
Are you the type who will say, kumain ka na ba? Ganyan. Good morning.
Usually, nagsasabi ako nun, especially the good morning and the good night.
Tapos na kasi ako sa stage na yan eh. Sabay na kami kumakain ni Obre, sabay na kami natutulog, sabay na kami gumigising. Tapos na kami sa stage na yan. Alam nyo, sa umpisa lang yan, makakaraos din kayo dyan. Importante yung tinatanong nyo yung partner nyo about sa mga ganyang bagay. Kasi you show that you care. Kumain ka na ba? Although, gas-gas na siya, common yun eh. Parang pagsasabi ng kamusta yun eh. Kakamusta yung partner mo. Alam naman, kayo yung mga tropa mo, kinakamusta mo yung partner mo, hindi. Diba? Ganito kasi yan. Ako kasi pagka ako nagtanong, kumain ka na ba? Kasi kapag tinanong kita ng kumain ka na ba, tapos sinabi mo hindi, bakit? Diba? May kasunod yun eh. Bakit hindi ka pa kumakain? May problema ka ba? May pinagdadaanan ka ba? May nangyari ba? Gusto mo ba i-share? Doon kasi yun. Conversation starter yun eh. As a Bachelor of Arts in Communication.
Okay, so is there any other question that you would like to ask our ladies to help you
Madam
narrow
Pao.
down your choice
Madam Pao.
of who your match will be?
Madam Pao. Madam... Oh!
Okay. Never mind, let's go back over here.
Bakit?
Okay, so why did you decide to pop your balloon?
Why did you
Kasi
pop
I
the
like all your
balloon?
answers. As in, super like it. Kasi in my past experiences, I really have a hard time with people who ask, kumain ka na ba? The reason why is because after that, like after I say it, there's nothing else. Like,
ayun yung problema. Wrong partners. Okay? Not the word itself. Okay? Kasi kapag sinabi mo oo, alam mo yun, kailangan kasi may follow-up dun eh. Naiintindihan ko naman yun, okay? Eh, ang problema dun, partner-wise, hindi yung words, okay?
there's no follow-up, there's no conversation. Kaya what I do appreciate, although I'm a highly independent person, I do like that you're worried. But the thing is, I feel like mas bagay kayo ni Pao.
What the? Ayoko na! Hindi ko na kaya to!
That's why I'm giving the floor na lang to her. Yeah, thank you.
Wala na akong masabi kasi nga. So, that's the decision.
Madam
that she
Pao,
would like.
ikaw, mga kabarkada, kumain ka na ba?
Kasi may times talaga na pagkatapos ko sa duty, diretso tulog kagad ako after ko maligo. So minsan hindi talaga ako makakapag-update or hindi ako makakapag-message sa'yo. Do you think it's going to be a big problem later on if ever na mag-decide tayo na mag-date?
Madam Pao, okay na eh. Gaano ba kahirap magsabi na, rekta tulog na ako, pagod na ako, bukas na lang tayo mag-usap? Gaano ba kahirap yun? Hindi ba magko-commute pa naman kayo pa uwi? Sabi ko nga, it's about compromise. I mean, okay lang naman kung sa akin, halimbawa sa akin nangyari yun, natulog ka kagad pag uwi. Okay lang naman. Pero kung problema para sa iba yun, napakadali ng solusyon.
Hindi naman siya gaanong problem unless you will not explain it properly to me kung ano yung nangyayari. Diba?
No,
Since if you manage to properly explain why nagkaganon, somehow maalis yung worry ko, di ba? Magiging okay naman siya.
So, wag lang daw siya pa-worry. Yun lang pala eh.
Oh, yun lang
Okay,
naman
so
yun
no
eh.
other question? Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Sure.
Sila kinig. And sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yes po.
Okay! We have another Pusuan match! Give them a round of applause!
Ay, finally.
Subscribe to